Hello, everyone. My name is Classic Manbuddy, and since today is the 4th of July, I'm going to go into this TNT fireworks and use the power of my Mega Steelix to freeze all the fireworks. Alright, we are in the TNT fireworks store, now to bring out my Steelix. Steelix, come on out.
Steelix.
Alright Steelix, I'm going to have you Mega Evolve for this task. Steelix, Mega Evolve.
Steelix.
Now Steelix, please use Ice Fang on all of the fireworks to freeze them all. Alright, that was a success. Now all the fireworks are frozen. Steelix, return. Hooray! I froze all the fireworks and TNT fireworks by using my Mega Steelix's Ice Fang. Now all the fireworks are all frozen.
Classic Manbuddy, I can't believe you froze all the fireworks at TNT Fireworks by using your Mega Steelix's Ice Fang. Now we are going to have to use hot water to melt all of the ice so that the fireworks don't catch on fire. That does it. You're now under arrest for freezing all the fireworks here. Head outside of the TNT Fireworks store and inside the police car with me right now.
When they got to jail.
This is your jail cell. You are going to stay here, and you also have some visitors to see you, and they aren't happy. Trust me.
Oh my god. Classic Manbuddy, we cannot believe you actually froze fireworks at TNT Fireworks by using your Mega Steelix's Ice Fang. You know that you can't bring Pokemon into stores if you are just going to use them to destroy things.
I strongly agree with your father, and also, they are going to have to use hot water to melt all of the ice so that the fireworks don't catch on fire. That is it. You are grounded for 10 days. We will be leaving. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye.